thinking of you wherever you are.
We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on the balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello.
I'm just glad you're here.
Little did I know that you were Romeo.
Remember what you said before?
I'll
come back to you.
My daddy said,
I promise.
stay away from Juliet.